reside, trying to keep the peace inside. But balance bends when hearts don't see the truth that love can set us free. The space between us healing grows, where silence speaks and the heart still knows. Through broken trust we find what's true. The light returns between me and you. I've seen reflections, gentle flame. Each mirror whispers my own name. It's not the fault, it's not